Are you a landlord of a commercial property under a triple net lease? Or are you a current or future tenant of one? Did you know that getting a regular commercial inspection can help you avoid common problems? For instance, if you're a landlord, a tenant may neglect their maintenance duties or have poor quality repairs done on the property. And if you're a tenant, inconvenient surprises like the air conditioner going out may happen on the hottest day of the summer. These situations can result in expensive problems. The key to minimizing the risks associated with a commercial property under a triple net lease is to understand and be aware of its condition at all times. As a CCPIA certified commercial property inspector, I can perform a triple net lease inspection. A triple net lease inspection is a periodic inspection that provides tenants with the information they need to make an effective plan and budget for preventative maintenance. And it lets landlords know whether their property is being well maintained and if there are other problems that exist. Make sure your building's maintenance is sufficient to prevent disruptive and expensive disasters. And contact me today to schedule your inspection.